Hey everyone, thank you for attending today's webinar. So I just want to walk you through a working workflow, right? Because we had issues in the workflow. So the first thing is the Google Sheet. So if you remember, we had this Google Sheet and you suggested the keyword John Mueller. So obviously you can have more, but then you'll need to make a small adjustment for the workflow. I'm trying to keep it simple. So this is the Google Sheet module. So it's going to connect to this Google Sheet and pull the keyword in the cell A2. Okay. And then the second thing, it's going to pass it to SERP API, which is going to run a Google search and pull the top 10 results. And then both are going to Claude with this prompt, create a blog outline for the keyword value, taking into account the top 10 results for this keyword, and then the organic results. So value is for the keyword, okay? And then after that, it's going to pass it to Google Docs module, which is going to create a Google Doc, and it's going to be value, which is the keyword blog outline, right? And I created a specific folder to have all those outlines, so it's easy for us to find, and I can show it to you. Okay, so let's run this workflow. So this is done. This is done as well. This is done, and this is done. Let's look here what happened first. So, okay, this is the input, cell A2, and then the output is John Mueller, right? And then the next thing here, this is the input, John Mueller. We want the top 10 results. We're searching for Google US. We're just going to look at the first page. And these are all things that are output. And one of them is the organic results. And these are the top results. And then both are going to Anthropic Claude. And as you can see here, some things like some setup, okay? And then you have a prompt with, where's the output? 1 second. Yes. Okay, yeah, the content, the output, it's text. And this is our outline. We're going to show it to you in the document. And then we're sending this to Google Doc, which is going to output into a document, okay? So let's go here. So this is just created right now. Let's double click on this. And then based on the search results, here's the blog outline for John Mueller. John Mueller, multifaceted professional career, and then a lot of things. Okay, let's try another keyword. Let's say Python or SEO course. Okay. And I just want to make a small adjustment here. I want some space. Because if you look here, there was no space in the title. It's okay. I mean, we can do, but I want to make this automation really good. Okay, so let's run this this time again. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Now it's here in Anthropic, as you can see, it's like loading. Then we're good. Now let's go. If you see this, it means it's done. You can review like the output one by one as we did before. Look here, this was Python for SEO course. This is the output from search and so on. Okay, let's go to our folder here. Now we have this. Here's a comprehensive blog outline. First of all, see, this is fixed. And then here's a comprehensive blog outline for Python for SEO course. And then everything you should include, right? It's very, very comprehensive. So the idea is that you can have a list here and you'll just need to make a small adjustment that you reiterate, like do a loop over the list and do this for every keyword you have. Also, you can include other columns here. Maybe you want to have entities, and then maybe you want to have people also asked, and maybe you have, I don't know, suggested sections. Maybe you want to have specific data to include, right? So you can have an entire row of all the data you can think of and fill this and use all of this in addition to the search results to create a blog outline, right? So that's that. Let me know what you think.